Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ke Kongres ke Basyong hakalyang persya akala kentu ye ke Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance bakadai banda shimkhia bha hakabayadai bat ke jingya keren penbait ya upod usam bat ke Sorkar Assam khnang ban penkut no ye ki jingye ke baki paj ba nong song snong hakhapot kilamat menta de ki postnem Haka jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor uzanit sangma ubadai unong aiktin jong ka seng Kongres ulo ongru baka sorkar kadai ban khotlang ki kinhon ba pher ba ki sengsan perthai ban ya theri tai sani bha halor kani ka mat khnang ba kani ka jingthmu kandup orlong.
The present government, they should do proper due diligence as far as the hopes and aspirations of the people are concerned. So based on that, I think the present government should do proper due diligence before deciding anything on such matters. So I am not going to say whether it is required or not, but then anytime, whenever any decision is made by the incumbent government, should be justifiable and should not discriminate any section of the people in the state.